Welcome to my project ideas. This is the fourth video of the course SAP on Azure. Before watching this video, we will recommend you to watch other videos first. This micro-learning video is a part of ongoing course, and in this video we will discuss Azure Pipeline Setup, build part, i.e. continuous integration. Azure DevOps provides an option to create a pipeline that can be configured in such a way that it can take the latest code from a branch and build it into artifacts, deployable file, and then deploy the same on a specific cloud platform. This full process can be automated, and it is called continuous integration and continuous deployment (CI/CD) pipeline. In this video, we will discuss the first part of pipeline, that is build and continuous integration. We have already discussed environments and library in our previous videos. In this video we will be utilizing them during pipeline creation. The first thing I will ask you to do is to visit gocoding.org and open this page. You can find the link to this page in the description of the video. This article will serve as the guidelines that we will also follow in this video. There are two ways that we can set up the pipeline, as shown here. The first one is via YAML file, and the second one is via manual task creation. We will be following the second way in this video. Let us follow the steps as mentioned here. 1. Click on Create a new pipeline.
So as you already can see that the repository that we are using here is the one that we have used in our old videos. So now before we start creating a pipeline, we need some code in our Azure repository Git. So once you have your code in the Git, then you can select a source. As usual, we'll be selecting our Azure repository. Now in this next tab, you need to choose empty job because we do not have any SAP relevant job here. Now you have reached the main screen where all other information for the pipeline builder will be added. So I am naming my builder as SAP MTA builder. Now I can keep adding jobs. So before I start adding job, I will go back to the website to take the reference to get the idea what exactly we need in terms of jobs. So like the first task for us is to add a bash. In case it is not there, you need to click get it. The second thing is use Node.js. So we will add the Node.js tool installer. The third one is command line. The fourth one is copy files. The fifth one is again command line. The sixth one is file creator. In case you don't have any particular task here, you can always download and refresh to just add it down in the task. And the last one is publish build artifacts. Now you might see that a lot of tasks added here are having a lot of red signs. A lot of things are missing here. Even the names are not correct. So all these things are mentioned in the website. So I will not be reading out what exactly we are going to add. I will just go to the website and keep adding the respective content line by line. In case the respective content that we are using here is not working for you, you can always ask in the comment section. So whatever we are adding is relevant with our project. Now we are at variable section. This is a very important part where we keep adding the variables. So you have to scroll back to the top of the website, and there you can see that we have three variables here: major, minor, and patch. This is used to create a build in a certain sequence. Like the major number will be 1.4.0, 1.4.2. It is a version of the build, something like a version of an application. Now the next part is triggers. Trigger is the part where we actually enable continuous integration. So here we have just to check a checkbox and mark it as enable continuous integration. And now you can also choose when exactly you want to have automatic creation of build. So you can include all the files, all the branches where you want to create automatic build, and then you can schedule it. So you can add a schedule based on days of the week and even choose a certain time. Okay, we'll move to the options part. Again, options part is also mentioned in the website. So we have to just copy and paste the content. So what exactly it is? Build number format is the part where we actually use the variables that we have created earlier, the major, the minor, the patch, and we also add the source branch name. Why? Because we can have multiple sources, and like it can be from release branch, it can be from development branch. So we want to create a specific build for specific branches. So once you're done, then you have to just save and queue your pipeline.
Once you run your build, a build file is created. This build file will be used for deployment. The deployment of the build will be discussed in the next video.